Hello, gorgeous. Welcome to the channel. Hey, boo. It is Wegovy time. It is Sunday. It is my end of week 5. Girl, I am so excited. But before we even get into the exciting news, baby, if you are new to the channel, we are talking about Wegovy every Sunday. So if you do not know what Wegovy is, here's a little snapshot of what Wegovy is, because I'm going to put this in every video. Okay, you can pause it, read it, do whatever you need to do, but that is going to be the information about Wegovy. All right, so now that you are up to speed, just a little bit of what Wegovy is, I'm just going to do a little quick recap. This is my second month on Wegovy, so that means I started week 5 last Sunday. I don't remember the exact date, but Monday I started week 5. So that means I am on the milligrams of zero point 0.5. All right. So my dosage has increased a little bit. And that means that with each dosage, the strength is going to increase. Okay. So month 1, I lost a little bit of weight. You can check out all of my information here on YouTube about that. I even have a playlist for you ladies if you want to check that out. However, so week 5, baby, I did something intentional. You can have your cake and eat it too. Don't believe me? Just keep watching. zero point 0.5 milligrams. And yes, there has been some changes as far as like the strength wise, I can say it has increased. I felt a difference, especially in my first 3 days. Like I noticed that my stomach was in knots, meaning that like I was just full. I just was not as hungry as I was within the first month. Yes, it does suppresses your appetite, but as the dosage increase, your appetite is going to decrease, and that is basically the goal, right? So I was intentional with what I ate this week. Girl, when I tell you it was straight up low carb, I did not play the first day, second day, third day until the senior leaders decided to come into town. So they had like this big, nice bruncheon. So we got like the leftovers that they didn't eat. So it was like a whole lot of healthy stuff. So I got the salads, I got the fruits, I got all of that, right? Then same day, what is that, Nat? So same day, we had a retirement party for a coworker and they had Wright's gourmet cake. When I tell you I got 2 big chunks of that cake and I was so ready to tear it down and eat it, then I was like, you know what? Let me, take on this fruit because they had a fruit platter. So I got all the fruit that I can get. I put it on a paper plate and I piled that thing up. I ate as much as I could. And then I got like a third of the Wright's gourmet cake, which was a yellow 2-layer cake with chocolate icing. Mm, so delicious. But I only got a third of it because I wanted to fill up on something that was healthy and then eat a little bit something that was not so healthy. Okay. So that's what I mean. Eat your cake and eat it. Have your cake and eat it too. So my intentions was to, with those other big pieces of cake, I put it, I had a container, but the problem was the container did not close all the way on the sides. It did not connect. So it wasn't that the cake was too big for the container. It's just for whatever reason it did not connect on the sides. So the next day, the cake did not taste good. It was hard and it just had a nasty aftertaste, like it was, stale. So I just went ahead and threw it away. So that was godsend. I believe that it just was not meant for me to eat that cake. And guess what I did the next day? I continued to eat low carb. I stayed eating low carb Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and here it is Sunday. And when I tell you, baby, when I got on that scale, the 4th week, I went from 185.4 to 187 point something. Okay. So I gained 1.6 pounds. Here it is, my 5th week, the end of my 5th week. And you know how much your girl lost? Do you know how much I lost, girl? I lost, went from 187 point whatever it is that's on here, okay, to 184.4. So I am so happy that I lost those 1.6 pounds that I gained last week on week 4. And then I lost another extra pound. So I am so excited and so happy, just so kitty, 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 kitty. You know what? It is so amazing to me that how I am able to see a difference from my body from day one up until here it is end of week 5. One more thing that I do want to mention, I keep to mention, is that I do lift weights Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I walk 30 minutes or more Monday through Friday. So my week 5, I decided to give myself a break of weightlifting. Okay. So we all know that when you lift weights, you will tend to gain some pounds because of the inflammation, which is basically like water weight and stuff. But I was still able to lose weight the first month, even though I was still working out. But I just took a week off during week 5 and just basically walked. That was it. And I did such an amazing, it was such an amazing turnout. Excuse me, it was such an amazing turnout for me, and I'm just so happy and excited. So tomorrow it will be week 6, and tomorrow's date it is Monday the what was that? Monday the 13th. So the key inspiration to my ladies out there who are on Wegovy or any weight loss journey that you are on is to be intentional with your eating. We're going to mess up sometimes. Keep eating healthy. Just keep eating healthy because that's the main goal, is to eat healthy and do not gain weight. Everything else will, your body will do whatever it needs to do as long as you're feeding it the proper nutrition, okay? I am not I'm not in sponsorship at all with Wegovy. That I'm trying on my own. My doctor and I had this conversation, and we felt like this was the best format for me. I am not pushing you to take Wegovy or any other weight loss regimen. I am always going to preach about exercise and eating healthy, but sometimes we just need a little bit of help, okay? So in this case, I am just sharing my experience and just sharing it with you guys because I'm starting to notice that there are other women and maybe some men out there that is on Wegovy and they just need a little bit of encouragement or just want to find somebody that is relatable here on YouTube that is doing the exact same thing. So why not just join the community and go ahead and click that subscribe button and make sure you like this video. The channel, what you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe and meet me here next Sunday for another update. I am going to try to post more videos during the week because I do want to put, some more shorts out there. I will let you know when I'm going to start uploading more on TikTok, but I do have a TikTok channel and Instagram. Both of them are She Is Tamika. You can go ahead and follow me on those other social media platforms. But girl, I will check you out a little bit later. Thank you so much for tuning in. Goodbye, gorgeous.